Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Kraken app, a popular cryptocurrency trading platform. To get started, first download and install the Kraken app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and click on Create an account. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Kraken. This is a security measure to ensure the account is genuine. Once your email is verified, you can proceed to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. To start trading, you need to fund your account. Kraken supports various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and cryptocurrencies. Click on the Funding tab and select your preferred payment method. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. Now that your account is funded, you can start trading. Kraken offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To place a trade, click on the Trade tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount you want to trade and confirm the transaction. It is essential to understand the different types of orders available on Kraken, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order is executed immediately at the current market price, while a limit order is executed at a specified price. A stop-loss order is used to limit your losses if the market moves against you. To monitor your trades and account activity, click on the Account tab. Here you can view your balance, transaction history, and open orders. You can also use the Kraken app to set price alerts and receive notifications when the price of a cryptocurrency reaches a specified level. In conclusion, using the Kraken app is straightforward and easy to navigate. By following these steps and understanding the different features and tools available, you can start trading cryptocurrencies with confidence. Remember to always use two-factor authentication and keep your account information secure. With practice and patience, you can become a successful cryptocurrency trader using the Kraken app.